So hello and welcome to another lecture in Mastering ComfyUI over AI Image Generation course by TechLatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview objectives, then about ComfyUI stable diffusion, and then setup installation of ComfyUI on various cloud platforms including AWS, GCP, Azure. Then also we had cover we had cover uh, user interface of ComfyUI, then how to set up and use various models in ComfyUI from Hugging Face and various sources. Then we had cover uh, checkpoints and other things in ComfyUI. So now in this lecture, basically we are talking about techniques of inpainting and outpainting within the ComfyUI framework, focusing on their application workflows and the underlying principles that enable this powerful image generation manipulation capabilities. Okay. So first we'll understanding inpainting. So inpainting is a technique used to reconstruct missing or damaged areas in the image. This process involves redrawing or filling in details where content is absent or needed alteration. So common application include object removal, photo restoration, and image editing. In the context of ComfyUI, inpainting leverages model, especially trained for this task, such as Dream Shaper inpainting model, which provides superior results compared to standard models. The workflow for inpainting in ComfyUI is straightforward. Load the image that requires modification, mask creation, use the mask editor to define the area that to be altered. This step is crucial as it guides the model on where to apply changes. Then model section, choose an appropriate inpainting model, typically one optimized for such tasks. Then VA coding, utilize the VA coding in code for inpainting node to prepare the image for processing. Grow mask by parameter to allow the model to consider surrounding pixels, which help in achieving a seamless blend. Then execution, so run the workflow and observe the result. If seam lines appear around the modified areas, a second pass with low denoise settings can help smooth this transition. Okay, so let's go to first ComfyUI. If you save any image, if you generate any image, so you can do a lot of things like inpainting and outpainting. Okay, we can also understand with one example. Here you can see some articles on Google. So here you can see the ComfyUI inpainting. Okay, so inpainting is a task of missing reconstructing missing areas in image, that is redrawing or filling in details is missing it or damaged areas of the images. So using VA encode for inpainting. So here you can see the VA encode in decode. Okay, so if you click on properties and other things, so here you can also see the images connected. Then using inpaint model conditioning, using control net inpainting. So preparation, let's illustrate with an example of drawing a tiger from a kit. This is a basic image generation process aiming to generate a picture of cute cat. Positive prompts, photo of a cute cat on the grass. Negative prompts, blurry illustration, anime, drawing, painting over saturated overexposed. Then using the above method to transform the cat into tiger, first set the mask to indicate the area of the redrawn. Okay, so for example, if you want to create images and create cat images, like remove cat face image and add a tiger image. Okay, so this is the example. Right click on the image, choose open in mask editor from the context menu, paint the area to be redrawn, then click to save to node. All methods will use the generated cat image and the painted mask using VAE encode for inpainting plus inpaint model. So here you can see that the cat image is removed and then the cat face is removed and the face which see here is tiger face. Okay, so in this way you can do inpainting. Then model use, you can choose models and you can like select models. SD standard model, dreamer shaper, 8 positive prompt, a cute tiger. Use the way input, set noise mask to node to pass the data on images, and mask using set latent noise mask. So you can go through this article also. Okay, using control not net in painting plus its standard model. So you can see the same model is here. Then you can see that prompt is positive prompt is a cute tiger, and you can do additional settings and select models and other things, and then you can good to go. Same here, the process is same. Like you can select the models and then like give prompts and then do additional settings in this image, save image option. Then you can go to go for inpainting. Okay, so let's talk about outpainting also. So outpainting on the other hand extends an image beyond its original boundaries, allowing for creative exposures of existing visuals. So the techniques is particularly useful when you want to add more context or elements to image while maintaining its stylistic integrity. So the outpainting workflow mirrors that of inpainting but includes specific steps tailored for expansion. So initial setup, load your base image into ComfyUI padding, use the pad image for outputting node to create additional space around the image. These node can add image areas where new content will be generated. Then same masking and refinement and other things. Okay, so if you go through this outpainting stuff, so you can also use similar word for outpainting. The principle of outpainting is same as inpainting. There is a pad image for outpainting node that can automatically pad the image for outpainting, creating the appropriate mark. In this example, the image will be outpainted, and using the v2 inpainting model, the pad image for outpainting node load in the config to see the workflow. So here you can see this image, and here you can see this image. So like you can see the node diagram of this also. Okay, I have also one more article on outpainting. Okay, so this is the image you can give, and then after this pad image for outpainting, you can pad the image doing padding and other things. Then VA encode basically for inpainting also. Then define your prompt and k-sampler settings to k-sampler settings, standard and review outputs. So in this way, outpainting also works. So I hope you guys like this lecture, and that's all about this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also go through these articles and other stuff on Google. And but I already know a lot of things about inpainting and outpainting. You have to do additional settings like k-sampler, via in decode. Then you have to give prompt and do inpainting and outpainting. So bye bye. We will meet in next video.